Good morning. It's Fantastic Friday, and this is our third edition of Money Matters. Today I want to talk about the OCC, an acronym that stands for the Office of the Comptroller. National banks are chartered, regulated, and supervised by the Comptroller of Currency, headquartered in Washington, D.C. National banks have national or NA in their name. The Office of the Comptroller of Currency, OCC, charters, regulates, and supervises all national banks. It also supervises federal branches and agencies of foreign banks. Headquartered in Washington, D.C., the OCC has 4 district offices plus an office in London to supervise international activities of national banks. The OCC was established in 1863 as a bureau of the U.S. Department of Treasury. The OCC is headed by the Comptroller, who is appointed by the President with the advice and consent of the Senate for a 5-year term. The Comptroller also serves as the Director of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, and as the Director of the Neighborhood Reinvestment Corporation. The OCC's nationwide staff of examiners conducts on-site reviews of national banks and provides sustained supervision of bank operations. The agency issues rules, legal interpretations, and corporate decisions concerning banking investments, and bank community development aspects of bank operation. Now, I had a conversation the other day, which became a debate. The question was, is a national bank owned and operated by the U.S. government? Well, no. I guess technically it is a corporation. However, they are chartered, regulated, and supervised by the Office of the Comptroller, headquartered in Washington, D.C. I have included a link in this text with a list of national banks. There are a ton of banks, mortgage company LLCs, operating as a subsidiary under parent banks. For example, First Capital Mortgage LLC, which is under Wells Fargo Bank. There is A.G. Edwards Mortgage LLC under Wells Fargo Bank. We have American Access Mortgage LLC, which operates as a subsidiary under J.P. Morgan Chase Bank National Association. There are tons of mortgage companies across the country. American Mortgage Network LLC, American Mortgage Network Incorporated, that operate under Wachovia. Either there's 10 branches in San Diego, or the parent branches in San Diego, and they're operating in Florida, Massachusetts, and other states across the country. This was part of the problem with the banks failing, the bad mortgage loans, and hopefully we will find a way out from under all the toxic debt that we have created. Thanks for watching. Congress is working as we speak on an act to help mortgage holders with a plan to help keep their homes. Thank you. This is Money Matters, and time is money.